Hey Prathna, today I was planning to invest somewhere that would increase my assets, but then I don't know. There's a lot of risk involved around such options, and based on my past experiences, I think I don't handle risks well.
Hey Simran, I think you are thinking on the right lines, but I do have a recommendation for you as well. One of the safest options you should consider is investing in real estate. Because of the constant increase in property value, real estate makes for a great investment.
Well, making an investment always requires a lot of research because of the huge amount of risk that comes with it, isn't it?
Absolutely, of course it does. But just like any other investment, there are important factors to consider before investing in real estate that will definitely make the process a lot safer for you. Hey guys, this is Prarthana from ClearTax.
And this is Simran from ClearTax as well. And today we'll talk about 8 important factors to consider before investing in real estate. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. The first one is type of property.
Absolutely.
One of the first things you need to understand is that the type of property you carefully choose should not only make for a good investment but should fit within the budget you are willing to spend. It would help to take a look at a complete guide to purchasing real estate to help you decide what type of property you're looking for. You may find that a turnkey rental apartment is your best option to generate profit instantly as it will be ready to rent out. However, each type of property will come with its own terms and guidelines, making it necessary to determine what you're looking for in advance.
Absolutely. Well, right after choosing the type of property you want to invest in, everyone is worried about the budget, right? And that's the next point. Before you consider buying a property, you need to know what budget you are willing to spend. The budget not only helps you determine what type of property you can afford, but of course, it also helps you narrow down in terms of space and location too. So, before you call a real estate agency, you need to sort out your finances. Know what you can spare to help you become more realistic in what type of investment you can go into. When you're calculating the budget, it is also very important to factor in any hidden costs you might need to pay to the agencies, banks, or even other costs such as renovating, furnishing, or maybe getting a property ready to be rented out.
I completely agree, Prathna. And not just that, many factors are determined based on the location, which is number 3. Are you looking for a central option where it will be more expensive, or are you looking for suburban property with a more beautiful view that provides more space for the same price? Depending on the location, these factors will differ and will help you take the decision according to the purpose of investment, price, property value, and the type of property you're looking for.
Absolutely. Moving on to the next point, investment purpose. So obvious, right? Understanding what you plan on doing with the property makes a huge difference on what type of property you need to buy as well as where to buy it. If you are looking to turn it into an office, it needs to be a specific area. However, if you are looking to turn it into something commercial, you of course need a bigger space. Determining the purpose will help you make the right decision and help you get a better vision of what you are looking for to narrow down the options available that will better suit your exact needs.
Well, Prathna, we are making an investment video here, so I guess your point of investment purpose is very valid. Moving on, getting an estimated value will help you know whether the investment is worth it or not. There's no point in buying a cheap property only to find out you need to spend hundreds of thousands in restoration and renovation. Always get an estimated value in advance and make the decision based on the plan you have for it. You can do this by asking about other properties with the same characteristics in the area you're looking for, or even going through advertisements or asking your real estate agent to show you the market value for the type of property you're looking for within a specific area. Doing your research thoroughly will not only help you make a valid decision, but could also open up better alternatives too.
I have spoken about investment purpose, but what about the expected return on investment? Yes, that is the sixth thing to consider. If you are thinking of buying a property just for investment purpose, then the return on investment is of course a very important factor to consider. Ask yourself whether you will be able to rent it out immediately or how long it would take to step up for your future plans. You should also consider how much profit you expected so you can determine the best choice for your investment. Other than that, the appreciation of the property you are investing in is another essential element which of course determines whether it is worth taking the risk and be a key factor in putting together a proper plan.
After considering your budget, you need to figure out what the best payment plan for you would be. Will you be able to get the liquidity you need by getting a loan from the bank? How long will it take you to pay up the loan? What risk will you be handling? All these factors are essential for you to thoroughly understand before taking this huge step, especially if you're not sure whether or not the property is worth it. In other cases, you could find that it's best to pay for the property in installments rather than one-time payment, which gives you the flexibility to generate the cash flow needed without having to pay ridiculous amounts in interest to the bank.
Well, absolutely agreed, Simran. Last but definitely one of the most important factors to consider are the laws. Yes, before you make such a huge investment, you need to be familiar with the laws of the area you're purchasing a property in, as well as the taxes you will be paying. In cases like these, it is always best to hire a lawyer who is familiar with the ins and outs to help familiarize you with the entire process and the procedures that need to be taken to avoid paying fines or finding yourself in an inconvenient situation, especially when it comes to taxes. So, what's the conclusion? Well, before you invest in real estate, you need to fully understand what you plan on doing with the property as well as the future plans that you have for it.
Correct. All this will help you determine the other factors that best fits your needs while making a decision with the property value in mind and the payment plans you would need to make it a good investment option. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video.
And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Clear Taxes YouTube channel. Thank you and take care.